Using CoinRoutes software during today's, this is the 20th at around 3:30 p.m., watching the potential washout bottom being formed. I'm reminded by our ability to actually look at the internals of the market. The first thing that happened was I was writing a blog, which I'll post later, comparing the 14th to the 19th sell-off, and I was mentioning that there hadn't been a washout bottom. So as I'm watching the pricing move on our real price, which you can see right here, or on our consolidated best bid and offer, it occurred to me that this might be happening, and so I quickly pulled up this chart that you can see, and you can see what I mean by a washout bottom, a free fall of like 400 plus points, almost 500 points of, which is 10% of the current price, with no bid in sight. So I quickly looked at the internals of the market using our cost calculator and found something extraordinary. What I saw as the market was hitting around 40.50 was that at that particular time, if you tried to buy 2,000 Bitcoin when it was trading around that price, and the best offer at the time was 40.48, it would have cost you, you wouldn't have been able to buy Bitcoin except for an average price of 42.78, over $200 of price impact to get that done. That's exceptional because at the exact same time when I hit the button, when it was bid at 40.64, you were able to sell 2,000 Bitcoin at somewhere just under 50 or just over $50 of cost at 40.11. That to me is extremely indicative of an impending bounce. So what happened? Well, what happened is this, and we can run the chart. We can do it together. I will update it again. This now is the new chart, and we can see exactly what happened when I was looking at those two things. You'll see the same chart, the same down, up and down, but what did we get? We got a rapid bounce of around $100. Now, I don't know if that will take. I don't know if this is a washout bottom. I expect volatility, but understanding and being able to look at the book size has been very predictive. Earlier this morning, I did the exact same thing, saw a biased book that looks sort of like that, and basically 10 minutes later, it was $200 higher. That's the reason why having access to thousands of levels of price data is important, and every trader should have it.